This is a 28-piece pocket socket quarter-inch drive set from CK. All of the pieces are held firmly inside of the sturdy case that is covered with a non-slip material. The set includes a compact reversible 72-teeth ratchet handle with a push-button release mechanism which allows you to work in a greasy environment and quickly interchange between the sockets. In the set you also get a quarter-inch bead adapter for the 12 different beads with a spring for secure hold and a quarter-inch extension bar. The sockets are forged from chrome vanadium steel for superior strength, and unlike the traditionally profiled sockets, the Sure drive system allows 2 points of contact, before and after each corner of the board, to avoid rounding them off. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over 600,000 items and get everything you want. You need it? We have it.